next cold standard we're going to practice transitions. 2 rounds, 3 on each target. We've got 3 targets. We're sitting at about the 5 metre mark. What time are we going to aim for that? We're going to go for about 3 seconds as the standard. We'll see what our cold standard time is. All right. We'll go through 3 times each. Yeah, cool.
Shit grip. Bad guy, go around, come back, start again.
Don't shoot on that one. Don't shoot on that one. Shooter ready.
Ready.
Stand by. First run, 2.4 pass. Shooter ready. Stand by. Second run, pass, 207. So your splits, well, yeah, relatively close. You got one between your second and third. Was 2.8, significantly solid. The others are at 1.9.
I found myself getting caught on the target, following my rounds, not hitting, transitioning, and waiting for that gun to come across. It was more individual.
Yeah.
Transition.
3 individual targets.
Yep.
Yep. All right.
Ready.
Shoot ready. Stand by. .33. We had one fucking hit Mount Morgan, but a 233 cold standard transition. Not bad.
It's just hard finding that grip. You can feel when you come back, your touch points. They're not instinctive.
Yeah.
It's coming back to shoot.
And now we're starting to get a bit competitive. Competitive now too.
Never.
Yep.
All right. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. All right, so first shot 1.31 with an overall time of 2.39.
239. Okay.
Not bad first go.
Not bad. Not bad. There was a lot of brain freeze.
Yeah.
My hole's up. Yeah. All right. Sweet. Let's do it again.
All right. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by. Right, so your first shot's coming down, 1.07 with a total time of 2.21.
221. Okay.
It's pretty consistent, which is good.
Yep.
All right. Shooter ready.
Yep.
Stand by.
It was drag on for the last target, but happy. What do I get?
Yeah. So overall was 2.35.
Yep.
Your first shot was good and consistent again, around that 1.17.
Yeah, cool. And I found with that last one, I had a bit of drag on. So as I've gone to the third target, I've hit just on the side of the C scoring zone for the first round coming on. So just a bit happy. So overall, we're under the time required on when we set at the start. 2.2 is what we were hitting, not cold standard. So we're pretty close to our standard on a cold standard. Happy. All right. Next drill. So what we're going to go through now is a move and shoot cold standard drill. All right. We're currently developing our Krieger standards. So we're not sure if this will be the one that we roll with. So today's a bit of, do we like it, do we not? Cold standard time, and then eventually we'll do warmed up time as well. All right, so you're up, Buttercup, let's do it. What we're gonna do is between the 5 and 7 metre mark, 2 rounds each target, move, 2 rounds each target, We'll see if we like it or not. All right, Bubby. Shooter.
I'm ready.
You ready?
I'm ready.
Stand by. .68. 568. Okay. All right. First shot 108. Training time 0.2. And then 0.8. A bit slower. No, a bit faster. Yep. Okay, so your transitions are on point. Stand by. .532, 532. Okay. We'll see how that looks with me.
Are you ready?
I was born ready.
First shot 1.20 with a total time of 5.46.
Okay. Okay. Yep. Oh. Oh.
All right. First shot 124. Total time 7.96. Obviously,
With the reload.
Had a reload. So
Okay.
up until the reload.
I even did a
7
check.
shots
It
for
looked like
521.
it looked like it was fine. Okay. Cool. All right. So that's a bit of a testing of the move and shoot for us. We don't know if that's going to be what we want yet. We'll keep developing it. Stay tuned for what the drill will be.